Hello viewers, today we'll be driving from ShopRite to Holyghost. I heard that there's some demolition in Holyghost, so we'll be going to check that out. Okay, stay tuned and watch this video to the end to see more updates. Let's go.
Welcome, my followers, wherever you are, whether you're in Canada, US, Australia, even Germany, Asia, you guys are welcome. So today we'll be going to Holyghost. So let me give you an update on what's happening in Enugu, okay? Following the town hall meeting convened by the Enugu state government through the Ministry of Transportation with the properties and business owners at the Nigerian Railway Corporation land over 8 months ago, which activated a series of negotiation and discussion on the proposed development of the world-class transport interchange, Enugu Central Station, alongside other innovation facilities at the Holyghost axis, fulfilling its promise, which marks a significant milestone. The state government has commenced the payment of considerable compensation to the affected properties and business owners. So this is just to let you know that the Enugu state government is paying compensation to those who are affected, because almost all the businesses along that axis were affected because everything was demolished, because the new transport interchange is so massive that most of the properties there were affected. So let's continue. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end to get the gems, okay? So we're right here in Holyghost. So I would find a way and park so I can do the video. Yep. Governor Peter Mbah's administration began the demolition of these areas with a view to build the Enugu Central Station, one of the first 4 modern transportation interchange to be conducted by the administration in the next 12 months. Others are in Apapa Central Station, Gariki Central Station, and Nsukka Central Station. So these locations I just mentioned are the places where you have this interchange. Okay, so lots of demolitions is going on in Enugu, and those people who have properties around this area will be compensated. So if you have properties there and you're in the diaspora, what you have to do to receive your own compensation, you should hasten up and submit your details to the Nigerian Railway Corporation for onward transmission to the state government, which is ready to pay you guys your compensation. So it's just simple. Most of the lands in those areas are being owned and managed by Nigeria Railway Corporation. So let me know what you think about this project. Is it going to be a fulfilling project? Is the government going to finish this project? So also let me know if you want to invest in Enugu, if you want to buy land in Enugu to build your duplex or bungalow, or if you just want to do land banking to buy land and hold for some time, let's say a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and then sell. I can help you. Enjoy the rest of the video.
So here I come to the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, and if you're watching my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel to see more updates on real estate in Southeast Enugu. See you on my next video. Bye bye.